I grew up thinking that money was the key to happiness. That I had to get a job making large amounts of money to be fulfilled. Until I read Scratching the Horizons, A Surfing Life. Today, I would like to share with you why Scratching the Horizons is a book that you need to read. That is because of these three reasons. 1. This book teaches you how to live a life without the burden of money and a career. This book also teaches you how to accept fear, and it teaches you how to live a free lifestyle. Now, when I say live a life without the burden of money and a career, I mean that in this book there is a man who ends up caravanning and raising his family across the country in nothing more than a camper and a bunch of surfboards. This man began his life going to school like a regular average American, and went to college and got a medical degree until he decided that his career was not satisfying enough for him. And that's when he found his true passion, which was surfing. He then dropped everything for his love of surfing. He dropped his money, he dropped his job, and he ended up finding a lot more happiness living this lifestyle than he would have living as a doctor. In this book, you will also learn how to accept fear. An instance that I have personal experience with is the challenge of riding a wave that is much larger than you. That was probably one of the most scariest experiences of my life, as I completely wiped out and was twirled and whirled through the wave itself. In the book, this man is challenged to ride waves that are 3 times larger than himself, and every time he was about to ride one, he would freeze up because of fear. And in this book, you learn that he learned to accept his fear, and that riding these waves was not something that he had a personal goal of achieving, and therefore it wasn't something that he had to do to be happy or to be fulfilled. So in recap, in this book you can learn how to live a life without the burden of money and a career, and you can also learn how to accept fear. Also, you can learn how to live a free lifestyle. When I say this, I mean you can live without the burdens. There are ways in the United States to live without the burdens of a home, a family, because in his instance, he brings his family with him, and you can live without forcing yourself to be a part of society. Today, I have given you 3 reasons for why you should read Scratching the Horizons, A Surfing Life. They are to live without the burdens of money and a career, to learn how to accept fear, and to live a free lifestyle. If you find yourself wanting more out of life than just a dollar bill, I urge you to read this book and discover what it means to truly follow your passion.